Now see the we will solve the winds question answers. Geography, geography lesson. Okay, that is a fifth lesson. Everybody open geography worksheets and geography textbook. Okay, geography textbook page number lesson number 5, page number 21. Okay, so we will solve the given examples. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. Cyclones occurring in the western part of Pacific Ocean along the coast of Japan, China, Philippines, etc. are known as dash. Okay, so its answer is given on page number 27. Open page number 27. See, this is the line. Cyclones occurring in the western part of Japan are known as typhoons. So this is the answer. So you can write. Write in the worksheet. Okay, answer is typhoon. So you can write it in the answer. Okay, in the worksheet. Then next question. Second fill in the blanks. Second, cyclonic condition are created when a dash pressure area is surrounded by high pressure area. Okay, so it is also given on the page number 27. Okay, under page number 27, cyclones topic. Cyclones topic is there. That is given here there only. See here. See this topic. Page number same page number cyclones topic. Cyclonic condition are created when a low pressure area is surrounded by high pressure areas. Okay, this is the line. This is the sentence, and from the answer is low. Okay. So we can write it here and write when a low pressure area is surrounded by high pressure area. Answer is only low. Okay. Next, anticyclones generally last for a few days or a dash. Okay. So anticyclones is also given in page number 27 also. Okay. Page number 28. Okay. Go on page number 28. See, I am opening page number 28. See. See, this is the sentence. Anticyclone generally lasts for a few days or a week. So, which is the fill in the blanks? This word is the fill in the blanks. Week. That is the answer. Week is the answer. So, just write it here. Okay. I'm writing it here for a week. Okay, week is the answer. Next is fourth. Dash winds are generally due to the uneven heating of land and water in the different seasons. Dash winds are generated due to uneven heating of land and water in the different seasons. Okay, so it is your open page number 26. Okay, in the textbook. Page number 26, it is 27. See, this is the page number 26. So, see, this is the sentence. Monsoon winds are generally are generated due to the uneven heating of different water in different seasons. Okay, this is the sentence. Okay, from dash winds. So dash winds means here is it is the answer. Okay, right answer here. Monsoon. Okay, monsoon winds are generally generated due to the uneven heating of land, what land and water in different seasons. Next is fifth. The density of water is comparatively dash. Okay, it is already given in the science. Science may already it is completed. Okay, it is also come again in geography. Okay, so it is given in the page number 25. So now go to the page number 25. See, this is 26 page number. So now we will go to the 25 page number. Now see here it is given. The density of water is comparatively less. Okay, so what is the answer? Less is the answer. So you have to write it in the worksheet. Okay, I'm writing here. Comparatively less. Okay. Now this is completed. Now we will go to the next 6. Sixth question. Six, fill in the blanks. The dash is made up of dense matter. Okay, the dash is made up of dense matter. So it is also given in the page number 25 only. Page number 25, it is given here. 25 page number है इधर ये the dash is made up of dense matter. So dash will be land. Okay, answer is land. Then write in the answer here land. Okay, land is the answer. Next, land is 7th. Land is dash and opaque. Okay, so it is also given in the 25 page number. See here. Land is stable and opaque. So fill in the blanks is stable. Answer is stable. So just copy it down to land. Okay. Write your answer here opaque. Land is stable and opaque. Okay, stable answer. Now next question is state one reason why. Okay, we have to tell only one reasons for the given question. First question is a belt a belt of calm exists near the equator. Okay, so this is given in the page number 24. Okay, 24, it is given a 24 page number. So go to 24 page number in the geography textbook. See here, the region up to 5% north and 5% south of the equator remains calm for the most of the year, and winds do not blow in this region. Okay, so that's why it is the answer. Okay, then just copy it and paste, just write it here. This is the answer. Okay, that you have to write here. Okay, the region up to 5% north and up to 5% south of equator remains calm for the most of the year, and wind do not blow in this region. Okay, now next, second one is the winds coming from the northwest southern hemisphere have greater velocities than the winds coming from the southwest in the northern hemisphere. Okay, now we have to find out the answer of it. We will go to the next question. Okay, the winds. See next question. Second question, the winds coming from the northwest in the southern hemisphere have greater velocities than the winds coming from the southwest in the northern hemisphere. So we have to find out these words, northwest, south in southern hemisphere in the textbook, then we will get the answer. Okay, then read alongside, then we will get the answer. So go in the textbook and go to page number 23. Okay, 23 page number is there. See 23 page number, it is 23 page number, and here is given, see winds in the southern hemisphere here from here. Okay, winds in the southern hemisphere blow with great velocities. The southern hemisphere is mostly occupied by oceans. In this hemisphere, the obstacle caused by the relief of the land surface is almost absent, as there is no obstacle wind blow from great velocity from southern hemisphere as compared to the northern hemisphere. So this is the answer. Copy it and write here in the worksheet. Okay, this is the answer. This is the answer. Okay, only we have to tell the one reason. Then next is the monsoon winds in the summer come from the sea, but the retreating monsoon winds in the winter come from land. Okay, so just find out in the textbook. Again, I'm going to textbook to show you where is the answer. Now go to page number 26. Okay, here I'm coming 26 page number. See, here is the information given on monsoon wind. Monsoon winds are generated due to the uneven heating of land and water in different regions during summers. Monsoon blow from the sea to the land, and the winter is coming from the sea. Okay, so up to here we have to read right in the worksheet. Okay, so this is the answer. Monsoon winds are generated due to the uneven heating of land and water in the different seasons. During summers, monsoons blow from the sea to the land, and in winter they blow from land to the sea. मतलब मानसून से ही हमको पानी मिलता है, बारिश मिलता है. Okay, monsoon means of winds which carrying the water vapor, and this converts into the water, and we will get rainfall in during the rainy season. Rainy season is also called as the monsoon because of the uh, it's coming from monsoon winds. Okay, so this is the answer. Now next lesson, that is now next lesson, natural reasons. Natural reasons, true or false. Okay, we have to write whether it is true or whether it is false. Okay, and that we have to also find out in the table of find out in the textbook. Okay, true or false. Due to its mild and warm climate, people from West European region are not energetic. Okay, so go to the page number. It is of 6 lessons. So go to 6 lesson first and go to page number 32. Page number 34. Okay, page number 34. 32, 33, 34. See 34 page number is there. Okay, so which see we have to ask about this. People are not energetic because climate is mild. Okay, so people के बारे में पूछा है, people का किस में आएगा, ह्यूमन लाइफ में आएगा. ओके, सो इधर ह्यूमन लाइफ आए है, इधर हमको देखना है कि इधर पीपल के. ओके, पीपल कैसे इंडस्ट्रियस एंड एंथुजियास्टिक है पीपल. ओके ओके, नॉट एनर्जेटिक ऐसा नहीं है इसमें, तो ये क्या आएगा, फॉल्स आएगा. ओके, सो जस्ट गो देयर and write false. Here what they told us, they told that people in the West European region are not energetic, but they are enthusiastic and industrious, but okay, they are not energetic, they are energetic. Okay, so it is false, right? False. Okay, this statement is false. Next is, the Peri region is called the wheat basket of the world. Okay, Peri region is called the wheat basket of the world. So it is also given in the page number 32. Page number 32, third column, third row. Page number 32, third row. C is given. Prairies. Okay. Prairies. Prairies is given. And what is asked about? It is the wheat basket. What is the question? See, the prairie region is called as the wheat basket of the world. So we have to find out the word. Wheat basket of the world is given or not. Okay, see, information is given about it. Extensive grass ridges are seen. Short grasses are growing in lumps. Okay, so wheat is also coming in the wheat is also the one of the type of the grass. So it is growing in the lumps. So it is a true. Okay, the answer is true. Right. So right here, answer true. Okay, next is the trees in the Mediterranean region have oily leaves and bark is quite thick. There is a high rate of transpiration. Okay, so Mediterranean region is there. So we have to find out the Mediterranean region in that. So where is the Mediterranean region? Page number 34. Page number 34. So go to page number 34 and find out. See, this is the region, Mediterranean region. And what we have to find out? We have to find out the uh, trees. So where is the information about trees is given? Here, natural vegetation. Okay, see how the trees. Trees have small and oily leaves. Okay, small and oily leaves right है क्या? Bark is thick. Okay, thick bark is there, and there is a high rate of transpiration. So high rate of transpiration is there or not? No. High rate of transpiration is there is no, not given. Okay, so what we have to write? This is a wrong statement. So right here, wrong. Third one is wrong. Third one is wrong means false. Next, the camel is an important animal of the hot desert region, as it can survive without water and is useful for transport. Okay, so everybody knows that camel is found in only in the desert region. ओके अगर रेगिस्तान होगा वही कैमल होता है और वो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट होता है बिकॉज वो पानी पिए बिना एक एक से 2-3 महीने जिंदा रह सकता है पानी पीने पे या जिंदा रह सकता है और वो डिजर्ट में ट्रांसपोर्ट के लिए यूज होता है तो ये ऑफ कोर्स ये क्या आएगा ट्रू दैट वी कैन राइट डायरेक्टली ट्रू ओके next is carnivorous animals like tigers and lions are found in the large number in equatorial region. Now carnivorous animals are found in the equatorial region. So equatorial region we have to find out. See page number 33. Page number 33. Go on page number 33 and you will get the answer. Page number 33 is there. 34 is that. Page number 33, which is the equatorial region. See, this is the equatorial region. लास्ट वन। ओके, सो ये सेकंड दो पेज पे दिया है इंफॉर्मेशन, तो ये इसका भी लास्ट का ये होगा। ओके, और एनिमल लाइफ सेकंड वाला है, ये है। ओके, इक्वेटर रीजन का ये है। तो एनिमल कौन कौन से है उसमें देखो, a great variety of animals in mostly marshy and lands, crocodile, anaconda, hippopotamus, etc. Animals, birds living in trees, etc. Chimpanzee, gorilla, hornbills, poisonous insects such as stiff fly. Okay, so there is no mention of tiger and carnivorous animals, so it is false. Okay, वहाँ पे क्या मिलता है, इक्वेटर रीजन में एनाकोंडास वगैरह मिलते हैं, तो क्रोकोडाइल मिलते हैं, पॉइजनस स्नेक्स होते हैं उधर, so it is animals and tigers are not found in a large number. Okay, answer is false. Okay, now we will solve the next question number 2 of 6th lesson, natural results. I am clearing that. See, now page number same. Question number 2. Question number 2. About 25% of the deserts. About 25% of the deserts on the earth are sandy deserts. Okay, तो इसमें से ये अंडरलाइन करना है, सैंडी, सैंडी अंडरलाइन करना है। ओके, वो ऑलरेडी फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स था, पर उसमें आंसर ऑलरेडी आ गए टाइप प्रिंट आउट करके, तो सैंडी को अंडरलाइन करना है। दिस इज द फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स। ओके, ये फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स आएगा। हाँ, नाउ नेक्स्ट सेकंड, मेनी ऑफ द occupied by the rock exposures are covered by stony waste and dash. Okay, so go to page number 36. We will find out page number 36. 36 all the answer we will get. मीटिंग खत्म हो जाएगा। ओके, I'm showing you where it is. 36 page. See here, it is 36 page number, and see many of the deserts are covered by rocks and pebbles. Okay, pebbles means rounded stones को क्या बोलते हैं, पेबल्स बोलते हैं। वो पानी के भाव से गोल गोल हो जाते हैं। Okay, so answer will be pebbles. Okay, next, not only human life but the entire living of the world on the earth depend on the available dash. Okay, so it is depend on the dash. So page number 36 again. See here given, not only human life but the entire living on the world is depend on the entirely available natural resources. So natural resources is the answer. So natural resources, write it here, natural resources. Okay, right here natural resources. Then next, significant differences are found in the dash and available natural resources in different natural regions. Significant differences are found in the dash. Again, go on the page number. Significant. Where to find out? Significant is given here, 36 page number. See here, significant Differences found in the environment and the natural resources from the different natural regions. So answer is environment. Environment is the answer. Okay, so you can write it here. Environment. Okay. Next is in monsoon regions dash and allied activities from the main occupation of the people. ओके सो मानसून मतलब जिधर जिधर बारिश गिरता है जिधर बारिश गिरता है उधर क्या करेंगे खेती करेंगे ओके ओके सो इट इज कॉल्ड एज एग्रीकल्चर सो यू कैन राइट इट हियर डायरेक्टली एग्रीकल्चर दैट्स स्पेलिंग ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर AGRICULTURE okay next is strong winds blowing from the desert lift and deposit dash to make sandy hills and sand dunes so deserts में क्या होता है सैंड्स होता है ओके तो जब भी विंड्स बहता है तो वो सैंड्स को अपने साथ बहा के लेके जाता है और वो बहे हुए सैंड एक जगह रुक जाते हैं उधर सैंड हिल्स बन जाते हैं और सैंड ड्यून्स बन जाते हैं ओके सो इट इज क्या है डिपॉजिट सैंड्स okay so it is also available on the page number same page number okay 36 page number also okay 36 page number deposit sand okay here it is see strong winds and winds blowing in the desert lift and deposit sand to make the sandy hills and sand dunes okay so it is the answer sand this is the answer okay sand okay then next question last dash farming is undertaking in grassland nowadays so grassland which farming is undertaking so it is given in the same question same page number 36 see extensive farming is undertaken in grassland nowadays this is the sentence you will get the answer that is extensive extensive farming is taken for the undertaken so right here extensive means profitable means which can be used for earning money and many crops are grown on it throughout a year so right here answer extensive okay so this all is completed okay everybody submit by Thursday in the school and no student will go to the school only parents will go okay so our worksheet is completed geography worksheets now anybody want to ask questions just raise your hand